guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a very simple hair oil treatment, hair mask, whatever you want to call it, using one amazing ingredient that I grew up with my entire life. And as you can see from the title, I am talking about Ghee. Now, I did a whole video a few months ago where I showed you 5 different ways that I like to use Ghee. And I mentioned in that video that my favorite way to use it is actually in my hair, besides of course eating it. And today we're going to be focusing this entire video on how I use Ghee to condition my hair, or I should say deep condition my hair. It also nourishes my hair. It makes my hair grow so fast. I recently just cut it, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw how long my hair was, and it was because I have been using Ghee on a consistent basis, like on a weekly basis for months. And I kid you not, my hair has never felt stronger, shinier, healthier, and I just believe that this is like the magic ingredient. So first things first, you can buy Ghee anywhere and everywhere at this point. You can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it at your local Whole Foods. A lot of other grocery stores also carry it. Of course, you can also check out your local South Asian supermarket. They will definitely have Ghee, but I'm gonna go ahead and link my few favorites from Amazon and maybe other retailers in the description box below. But you should be able to find this so easily. You can also make Ghee at home because Ghee is basically just clarified butter. The way that you make Ghee, and I will also include like proper videos, is that you melt butter at a very low temperature, and then you kind of just let it sit there and melt slowly, and then the milk solids kind of come up at the top, you remove them, and then what's left behind just solidifies and become this magic ingredient. Of course, you can eat it, you can cook with it, you can do so much with this. Today we're just going to be focusing this how I like to use this for my hair. With all that being said, now let's go ahead and finally jump into the DIY hair oil treatment that I just absolutely love and swear by. I would love for you guys to try it out for yourself and then let me know your thoughts, your feedback. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. For now, let's get right into it. So we only really need a couple of things for this hair treatment. The first thing is some sort of hairbrush. I'm using this one right here. It looks a little bit weird, but it works so well to detangle my hair. I'll show you guys. It's from EcoTools. I will link it below. The second and the most important thing of all, of course, is Ghee, and this is from Nanak. It's called the Pure Desi Ghee, and I have been loving cooking with this, but I'm gonna take it out. Also, keep it in another bowl so I'm not like double dipping with my cooking Ghee, because yes, I do cook with this and I put it in my hair. And then the third thing you're gonna need is some sort of hair tie. I love these ones right here. I forget what this brand is, but I will link these below as well because they just work so well to keep my hair nice and secure, and my hair doesn't like move around as I'm working out, doing other things while this treatment is in my hair. Okay, enough talking, let's get started. The first thing you wanna do is just go ahead and kind of like separate your hair in half like this, and then brush it out. Easy, quick first step, but it is very important to get all of the tangles out of the hair before we actually apply any sort of Ghee in it, because it's just gonna make it easy for you to apply the Ghee. Okay, so all the tangles are out of my hair. It's so easy for me to just like run my fingers through it. Like I said, don't skip this step. It is actually very important. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of Ghee, because for my length of hair, this is about how much I've been using. I've been using a little bit more extra. Of course, if you have longer hair, shorter hair, you can adjust the amount of Ghee that you use depending on your hair length. And the more you do this, the more you'll kind of like know how much Ghee you need. But anyway, I have this in like a little bowl right here. You could melt this if you would like in the microwave for like 10 seconds. I actually just apply it in between my hands like this, rub my hands together, and the Ghee just melts so easily. Do you see that? It's already melted. And I like to just start off by first coating all of my hair with the Ghee. Just like one really quick, messy run through of my fingers in my hair to make sure we're covering as much of the hair length as possible with the Ghee. Same thing on the other side. Okay, now just taking a little bit more Ghee, I'm just gonna apply it on my scalp like this and give myself a quick little head massage. If you have like a super oily scalp, you can skip this part, but for me, I love doing it. Now I'm like scraping off whatever is left in this little bowl of the ghee and focusing this on my ends because my ends are so dry as well. And I just like to make sure I apply a little bit extra ghee on my ends. Okay, so I want to show you guys a quick look at my hair from the back. So you can see that my hair is not like drenched in ghee, but I can confidently say that most of my hair is completely covered with ghee. You don't want it to be like soaking wet with ghee, but you want to make sure that the ghee is completely like all over the hair, you know? Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up in a really high, tight bun and away from my face because of course it is a little bit oily. I don't really want it all up in my face. I am gonna be doing some work right now. So I just want to keep it away like this. You can also go ahead and wrap your hair if you want to. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to kind of leave it up in a really messy bun like this because let's be honest, I'm just at home right now. I don't really care how I look, although I am putting this on social media, but that's besides the point. I'm going to let this sit here now for about an hour and a half. I have found that that is like my sweet spot. I sometimes even do like an hour. I would say if you can, let this sit in your hair for at least an hour to really see the benefits. I also recommend doing this treatment once a week, and then you guys will see in like a month and a half like true benefits of putting ghee in your hair like long term after a month and a half or so, but you have to be consistent like anything else in life. You can also go to sleep with it, but that being said, I just want to call out that your bedding, your pillows, your sheets will get stained for sure unless you wrap your hair in like a towel or something. But anyway, I'm gonna let this sit, like I said, for about an hour and a half, and then I'll come back and show you guys the after. Actually, I'll also show you guys a few products that I like to use to rinse off the ghee because I do get a lot of questions on that. Okay, I'll be back. I'll see you guys soon. You kind of like go like this so you can actually see my hair, but my hair is currently wrapped in this hair wrap. I'm gonna link this below, but I love these. These are a game changer if you haven't tried them. You guys see this little like tie in the back? So you can just wrap your hair, tie it up, and boom, you can move around. It doesn't move or anything like that. So really love these hair wraps, and I always use them after washing my hair. This is what my hair looks like after washing off the ghee. And actually, let me also show you guys the different products that I used in my hair to rinse out all of the ghee. I'll be right back. I'm going right here, right behind me. For shampoo today, I used the Briogeo Be Gentle Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo. Can you guys see I'm running so low on this? One of my favorite shampoos, absolutely love it. And you might find yourself having to wash your hair twice in the shower after doing the ghee treatment. That is totally normal, especially if you applied a lot of ghee on your scalp. That could be a little bit hard to remove, and actually, for that reason, I also really recommend using some sort of hair scrub, especially if you have like an oily kind of scalp anyway. And this is the one that I'm currently using, and this is a really nice hair scrub. I actually also have one from Goop. Do I still have it in the shower? I think I might have moved it into the other shower, but I also have one from Goop. I'll actually pop the picture somewhere here. That's a really nice one as well. So again, use a hair scrub if you feel the need to especially get the ghee off from your scalp. For conditioner, I did use the Loreal Everpure conditioner. This is currently what I'm using. Okay, so that's it for all of the products. Now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly style my hair. But again, I want you guys to just take a closer look. I know it's hard for you to see in this lighting at my hair, but it just feels like, especially as I run my fingers through my hair, it just feels so much softer and hydrated and like well conditioned. I don't know how to explain it. When you guys try it out for yourself, you'll know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of run my fingers through my hair and also start to style it using the Dyson airwrap. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna just kind of fast forward this part because you guys have seen me do my hair like this a million times, and then I'll come back and show you the final look. Final look at my hair. You guys already know this is like my go-to hairstyle. but I love how my hair looks right now. It just feels so like healthy and like, I don't know, like touchable, if that makes sense. But it also just looks really shiny as well, and I really do recommend the Ghee treatment if you haven't tried it out yet. I will be linking all the products mentioned, including the Ghee and all the other products that I mentioned, in the description box below. I hope you guys try out this treatment, and if you do, let me know your results. Let me know your thoughts. Do you love it? Do you hate it? How do you feel about it? Please leave that in the comment section below. And I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of short, but hopefully you guys enjoy these like short but very helpful videos, because I definitely want to start to share more DIYs again. Also, before you head out, please take a quick second to subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 400,000, and I would love to reach that goal very soon. So please do subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!